We left having a child quite late, and it was a perfectly healthy pregnancy. Sadly, it all went wrong during the delivery. We suspect that Sol's arm was crushed by the forceps, and 10 days later he had to have his left arm amputated below the elbow. It was going to be 12 months before Sol had a basic prosthetic. I just decided that wasn't good enough. I'd been studying on prosthetic rejection, and I'd seen a common pattern. Most kids who are given a prosthetic like Sol just completely abandon it. And that's really where it started. I bought some fairly cheap printers and then just started experimenting with different materials. And I used a Microsoft Xbox 360 Kinect scanner, which I think was about £20 second hand. And I decided to try and have a go at scanning him while he was asleep. And I was able to create a very well-fitting socket for Sol.
I think Ben proved with the early form that was attached so Sol could reach for his toys and things. You've got to get that early intervention if you want the best use of a prosthetic later on.
Daddy makes me hands on the 3D printer.
I was talking with Autodesk Education, so they introduced me to Warwick School of Engineering. Some of the things we saw that were going on there were just amazing. I was introduced to a material called copolyester, and on very simple printing technology I can produce these. By adding a hydraulically actuated thumb, you can actually grip the corner of the book and turn the pages. And that's subtle things like that that really make a massive difference. Would you like that?
And can I keep it on?
About this time last year, I had thrown open a trial, and sadly when we looked at the 20 families who'd signed up, only 8 of them had a device that would be capable of using the scanner. So I contacted Microsoft Wales, and the next thing I was arranging to go and collect 12 Surface Pro 4s, very kindly donated from Microsoft, and that's allowed me to do a step change in my delivery.
Hi.
My vision is to run clinics throughout the Western world, and the revenue that I can generate from those, I can do good work in, for example, Ecuador, Africa, India, and so on. Thankfully, there are very small numbers of people affected, but for those people I can deliver tremendous impact. I can literally change their lives. Delighted to say that Sol's been wearing a prosthetic now every single day from morning till night for almost 2.5 years. He's now ready to start trying more advanced bionics using machine learning and artificial intelligence to control a bionic arm for a toddler. And he keeps asking me, when he sees me working on my 3D printers, Dad, have we got the zzz yet? Can't say bionic arm, but he knows what's coming.
If you could have any colour arm, what would you have?
Blue.
Blue arm. A blue arm and blue fingers?
Yeah.
Sol knows where his arm is in space. He knows how to use it. He's not frightened to fall over as well. And he has the confidence to do things that a kid should be doing. So yeah, that is the major reward, is that I see Sol wake up every day and engage with my prosthetics.
It is quite easy to forget that it is a prosthetic, and it's only when he doesn't have his arm on that it actually kind of hits you that it is a happy little boy, he's a great little boy.